So in this BTCC tutorial, I will be showing you how to trade metals here on BTCC. So once the app's opened up in the bottom, select on the blue trade icon. Once you're on the trade screen right here, there's a bunch of different options at the top. So there's USDT M, there's Coin M right here. There's also TradeFi right here. This is what you want to be on. So once you're here, this is the page where you can trade gold, forex, stocks, etc. So if you want to deposit funds, you can press deposit funds into your account. And if this looks good, you can go to where it says metals right here. And then you can kind of just scroll different metals that are being offered. So on this example, there's gold, I believe, right? So this one, there's silver US dollar, there is aluminum. And I do believe there's other options as well. So right here, if I were to go to metals, there's silver US dollar, aluminum, gold US dollar, etc., platinum. So if I wanted to go ahead and just select gold, I can then do that. I can then go to the bottom and I can select buy, and then you can trade metals that way. So that is how you guys can trade metals here on BTCC. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.